How to contact Panda Remit. Follow my instructions. If you need help with a payment or account, Panda Remit offers several ways to reach support. They provide 24/7 assistance so you can resolve issues quickly. Here's how you can contact them step by step. First, open the Panda Remit app on your phone or go to their official website. Log into your account so support can verify your details faster. From the menu, look for Help Center or Contact Us. Inside, you'll find the live chat option. This is usually the fastest way to talk with an agent. Type your question and a support rep will join the chat to assist you. If you prefer, you can also submit a support ticket with your payment reference number. For urgent issues, check your confirmation email. It often includes a direct customer service email address. Some regions also provide a phone support line, listed on the official site under Contact. Once you send your request, keep an eye on your email or the app for updates from the Panda Remit team. Always include your transaction ID or registered email when contacting them. This helps speed up the process. And that's how you contact Panda Remit quickly and securely. Thanks for watching.